Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking to you about one of my all-time favorite harnesses. I use this anytime I go into the mountains, and it's pretty great. So let's jump in. Alright guys, so if you like the outdoors, whether it's hiking, backpacking, rock climbing, mountaineering, camping, whatever it is, you're going to want to subscribe to this channel because we post all kinds of videos every week, whether it's gear reviews, how-to videos, trip videos, all kinds of stuff. So if you want to go outdoors, or you love going outdoors, or you've been outdoors your entire life but like watching videos about the outdoors, subscribe to the channel because I'm sure that there's going to be a lot of stuff that you guys are going to want to see. So with that, let's jump in. What's going on, guys? Trevor Long here for Sawback Gear, and today we're going to be talking about one of my favorite harnesses in the world, the Petzl Corax. Now, this was one of the first harnesses I ever bought. I used it, I bought it originally as a rock climbing harness, but now I use it all the time whenever I go mountaineering. I bought it because it was pretty cheap. I think they run about $60, $59.95, something like that. And so I bought it as a comfortable harness. I heard some good things about it. I tried it out, and I do like it for rock climbing. It's not bad by any means, but it excels at mountaineering, and I'll show you guys why. So one of the main reasons that I like this harness for mountaineering is because it's very adjustable. You can see on the front here that it has two adjustment straps, which is very convenient because you can dial in the fit more. It makes it heavier, but you can dial in the fit a lot easier, which is helpful when you're taking on and off layers constantly and it needs to vary the diameter or circumference of the circle around your waist. You know, if you've got anywhere from you're hiking pretty strong, you're hiking pretty fast, and it's kind of warming up a little bit and you're wearing just like a fleece, or if you're sitting there on a belay and it's very cold out and you've got like huge down parkas on, it's very adjustable. And same thing in the legs as well. So each of the leg loops have their own adjustment straps that you can use to adjust the width or circumference or diameter of the leg loop, which is very convenient when you're adjusting the amount of layers that you're wearing. A lot of rock climbing specific harnesses don't have that kind of adjustment, such as the Black Diamond Solution harness. Great for rock climbing, but not so great for mountaineering. Some of the other things that make it good for mountaineering are that the gear loops in the back are nice and wide, but they lay down flat. That's kind of inconvenient for rock climbing because it's hard to clip on and off your gear. But when you're mountaineering and you're just kind of keeping maybe some rescue gear back here or whatever it is, but you've got a pack on, it doesn't get in the way of the pack. So it lays down flat, which is very convenient for mountaineering purposes. It's got a nice haul loop on the back that you can use to attach a sled to if you need to pull some gear behind you. And you can also tie off your backpack to said harness strap. One of the other things that make this harness great for mountaineering is that it has loops on either side of the harness that you can use to attach, like the Petzl carry tool, ice screw holders, and Black Diamond makes one as well, but since it's a Petzl harness, I guess use the Petzl ones. And so you can use that to attach your ice screws too, which makes it very convenient. They're not flopping around, just hanging from your gear loop. I actually really like those. Those are pretty cool inventions. The harness itself is pretty comfortable. It's got very thick webbing in the back, fairly breathable, not super breathable, but ideally, since you're going to be using it for predominantly mountaineering, it does the job by all means. Like I said, pretty comfortable. It's fairly adjustable. It's not super heavy. It weighs in at about 17.3 ounces or 1 pound and 1 ounce. So it's not the lightest harness in the world by any means. But it's fairly comfortable and it does the job. The extra weight comes from the extra buckles needed to allow you to have all the different adjustment features and some thicker webbing in some places and padding. So other than that, it's just a nice harness, comfortable. It comes in a couple different sizes. I used size 1. So that pretty much does it for us here today, folks. Go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section down below about what harness you use for mountaineering and why. And then we can have a discussion about that. I'd like to see what you guys use, and we can kind of talk about which ones are the best options. We'll have a little debate. It's always fun. This is one of the ones that I use. It's very inexpensive, and it's very convenient. Other than that, if you like the video, go ahead and click the like button down there. If you like the channel and the content that we produce, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Philip will love you forever. The point is, go ahead and hit the subscribe button because you should do it. It's the right thing to do. And other than that, I have been Trevor Long for Sawback Gear, and I look forward to seeing you outside.